Let's write a really simple XML that has a company with 3 employees, 1 boss, and 2 people that work for him. Let's go ahead and start, and we'll put a root and an ending root. Now, the first employee, the boss, will go in the first employee tag, and we'll put user equals Tom. Now, underneath Tom, we're going to put the user Dick. And underneath Tom, right next to Dick, we're going to put Harry. Okay, so Tom is at the root emp level, and Dick and Harry are at the root emp level. Let's declare our XML and our handle at the top, all at the same time. Let's declare @hdoc as an int, and let's declare the doc as an XML, and let's set it to the XML you see here. Let's run that. Okay, everything's happy, that's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the XML by calling SQL2008DevVol5 and we'll ask for the handle as we give it the document. Let's see what handle you get. If you haven't run this before, you're probably going to get 1. Now I just ran it a second ago, so you go ahead and run it without me. Then all of the stuff right below here is what we're going to run repeatedly and call on the handle. So let's go ahead and set it to 1, and let's select all fields from OpenXML, and let's choose the boss level. We just want to see the data at the top level element. So our row pattern is specified as /root /imp. That should pull out Tom, and to make it look nice and neat, let's put with, and then let's grab the only field that we've got. Let's call it employee name, varchar max, and grab it from the user attribute. Let's select that. Okay, that looks pretty good. We got Tom. Now what if we wanted Dick and Harry? If we wanted them, we've got to go 1 level deeper in our row pattern. So let's do that. Let's run this. There we go. We got Dick, and we've got Harry. Now, one thing they have in common, Tom, Dick, and Harry, is they're all in an element called emp. It's just Dick and Harry are under the emp element of emp, and Tom is under imp. But if that's the case, you can actually stop at the emp level and look for all similarly named tags by doing this. This says, go to the root level and find every emp and child imp that you can. And go ahead and display them. Let's run this. Wow, we get Tom, Dick, and Harry. Here is our next goal. List every employee, and to the right, list the person that they work for. Now, if they're the top boss, they don't work for anybody. So Tom would have a null for his boss, but Dick should work for Tom, and Harry should work for Tom. Now we've got a real challenge for you. We want to list all of the employees and their boss right next to them. Well, here's how we do that. We're going to say the field is boss name, which is a varchar max. Go up a level and look for the user attribute. Now, of course, Tom has no boss, so his boss will be null. Let's go ahead and run this and check it out. Look at that. Tom works for nobody, Dick works for Tom, and Harry works for Tom. Well, this experimenting around is a lot of fun, and I've run this, and I see my results, tried a few things, and really start learning. Then, accidentally, instead of selecting one thing, I run the whole thing. And basically running this prepare statement again. Uh-oh, I have duplicate data taking up 2 places in memory. Look at this number 3. I want to get rid of that, so we'll only handle number 1 exists. Let's free up some space on our system by getting rid of 3. All I got to do is say execute SQL remove document, and then the handle that I want to get rid of. Let's run this. Commands completed successfully. Lab 3.3, Skill Check 1. Open the Lab 3.3 sk1.sql file from the Resources folder. The root element and all the child elements are named URI. Get all URI entries from the doc as seen in the figure to the right. Skill Check 2. Open the Lab 3.3 sk2.sql file from the Resources folder. Get all URI entries from the doc as seen in the figure to the right. Skill Check 3. Remove the document handle from memory that you use to parse this XML from Skill Check 2. Skill Check 4. Open the Lab 3.3 sk4.sql file from the Resources folder. Get all unit entities from the XML document as seen in the figure to the right.